Hello and welcome to the video Download and Install Tomcat 8.5 on macOS with me Nam Hà Minh at CodeJava.net. In this video, I'd love to share with you how to download the binary distribution of Tomcat version 8.5 and then how to install Tomcat on macOS and then how to run the server and how to add a user to access the Tomcat Web Application Manager and how to stop the server. And Tomcat is a popular Java web server developed by the Apache Software Foundation, and developers use Tomcat to run web applications built on Java EE platform. It's free and open source software, and Tomcat 8.5 requires Java 7 or later, and Tomcat version 8.5.x supports the following Java EE technologies: Servlet 3.1, JSP 2.3, EL 3.0, WebSocket 1.1, and authentication JavaScript 1.1. Note that you must have Java Development Kit or JDK installed on your macOS in order to run Apache Tomcat server. If not, I recommend you follow the video Download and Install Oracle JDK 20 on macOS on my YouTube channel at this URL to install JDK on your macOS first. Let's head over to the official homepage of Apache Tomcat at the URL tomcat.apache.org. And to download the binary distribution of Tomcat version 8.5, click the menu Tomcat 8 on the left menu here under the download section here, and you'll see this is the Tomcat 8 software downloads. And for Mac OS we can download the zip archive file here, so click here to download the binary distribution of Apache Tomcat version 8.5.95 zip archive file for Mac OS. And you can see it says that you must verify the integrity of the downloaded files, and you see it provides the share 512 checksum of the zip archive file here, so we can check and compare. Okay, the file has been downloaded here into my downloads downloads directory. Let me open a new terminal window and change the current directory to downloads directory, and you can see the file Apache Tomcat version 8.5.95.zip archive file here. And before extracting the zip archive file, we should verify the integrity of the file by get the SHA-512 checksum of the downloaded file using this command SHA-sum-a 512 and then the file name Apache Tomcat, and you see it prints the SHA-512 checksum of the downloaded file here, and we compare this value against the value published on Apache website here. Okay, both are identical. That means the downloaded file is safe to use. And to install Apache Tomcat 8.5 on macOS, just extract the downloaded zip archive file into a specific folder on a computer. And here I use this command tar-xf and then the zip archive file name and then -c, and then I extract the zip archive file to my user home directory. Okay, done. And I delete the zip archive file. Okay, and go to my user home directory, and you can see the new folder Apache Tomcat 8.5.95 appears here, and I change the current directory to that one. Okay, and you can see the files extracted here, Apache Tomcat version 8.5.95. And let me go to the bin directory that contains the binary script. You can see some shell scripts which we can use to stop Apache Tomcat server. You can see here Catalina.sh, startup.sh, and shutdown.sh. Okay, now let me start Apache Tomcat using the Catalina.sh script file here. So type sh catalina.sh and pass the parameter is start, and you can see the information Tomcat started here, and you can see some information about Catalina based home directory and JDK home directory. I'm using a JDK 20. You can see here. Okay, Tomcat has started, and now we can access localhost to check if the Tomcat installation is successful or not. So type localhost port number 8080, and you see this is localhost page showing Apache Tomcat version 8.5.95. That means I have successfully installed Apache Tomcat 8.5 on my macOS. And we can check the server status of applications deployed on the server via the Manager app here. So I click Manager app, and it requires username and password, but I have not created any user yet. So click cancel, and then you can see the error message for one unauthorized, and the instruction here. We need to add user with the role manager GUI into the Tomcat users.xml file under the conf directory in a Tomcat installation folder. Okay, so let me go to the conf directory, and you can see the file tomcat-users.xml here, and we need to edit this XML file to add a new user with the role manager GUI in order to access the Web Application Manager. Okay, so I use this command open -a. I use text edit to edit the file tomcat-user.xml. Okay, you can see the detailed instruction in commands here, and uncomment this block and delete the second line. Keep only the line that has the username admin, and you can see the role manager -GUI, and change the password. I enter the password as Nimda. Okay, and close this editor to save the change. Okay, and then we need to restart the server. So we use this command to stop sh catalina.sh and stop. Sorry, we need to go to the bin directory. Okay, you see the server has stopped. If I refresh the localhost, here I got the sys site can't be reached. Okay, let me start the server again. Okay, you see Tomcat started, and refresh. Okay, and now I can access the Web Application Manager. Enter username is admin and password Nimda. Sign in. Okay, you see this is the Tomcat Web Application Manager that allows us to deploy Java applications into Tomcat server. You can see, and we can check the server status. You see Tomcat version, OS version, and go back, check server status. You see host manager. Okay, so click back. Okay, if you want to access the host manager, you also need to add a user with the role admin -GUI here, similar to the admin user that has access to the web application manager. Alright, so you have seen how to download and install Apache Tomcat version 8.5 on macOS. Note that you use Tomcat 8.5 for running Java applications built with Java 7 or later and Servlet 3.1 or older. And you must verify the integrity of the downloaded file with SHA-512 checksum and other user with the manager-GUI role in the tomcat-users.xml file in order to access the Tomcat Web Application Manager. And the command to start the server is using the catalina.sh script, and you can also use a shortcut which is in the startup.sh file, and this is the command to stop the server. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching.